Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we got an advanced tutorial for you. In this video we are going to setting up the GA4 add to cart event for Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. This is our Shopify store. Then go to the Google Tag Manager and the preview options and connect. I already said we are going to set up the add to cart events. So for this event, we have to open a product page and click the add to cart and back to the data layer and check out that our add to cart event is working or not. So click the add to cart first, then go back to Google Tag Assistance, continue. Look, see add to cart event is working. So now our data layer is okay. Before starting, we have to go to the developers Google guideline for the add to cart event, which parameters are required or not. You can see here is the three parameters: currency, value, items. But in the part 3 for the view item event, we are creating almost 3 parameters. So for the add to cart event, we do not create that. So I recommended you, if you do not watch our part 3 for view item event, then firstly watching the part 3 videos, then come back to the add to cart event. So we are already created parameters for view content event in video part 3. Now back to the Google Tag Manager, creating only tags and trigger. So here is my Google Tag Manager container. Go to the tag, new tag, tag configuration, and under the Google Analytics, select the Google Analytics GA4 event. Here we put the measurement ID. Where we find out the measurement ID, go to the Google Analytics and go to admin, and under the data collection and modification sections, click the data stream, and that is our Shopify store. Here see measurement ID, copy the measurement ID and back to the Google Tag Manager, paste the measurement ID. And what is the event name? We are already see that our data layer is enabled for add to cart event. So back to the Google Tag Assistance and copy the event add to cart and paste the event name. And event parameter is, what is the name of the event parameter? So collecting the event parameters name, we are going to the Google recommended event. Here is the C name of the parameters. We are copy the parameters name. I said again, if you have any kind of spelling mistake, then your tag is not fire perfectly. So copy the currency first, then back to Google Tag Manager, copy the currency, and we are putting the value currency, DLB currency. Add parameter, secondly copy the value and back to Google Tag Manager, paste the value and put the value as well, DLB value. And last and third one is items, and paste the items. Here we will put the value, DLB items. All parameters is done perfectly. Now create a trigger. So click it and create new trigger, trigger configuration. Here we select the custom event and put the event name, copy the add to cart event from the Google Tag Assistance and back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the event item. And here we're giving a name, that is event add to cart. Save this trigger. We are almost done, just giving a name of the tag, that is GA4 add to cart. Save it. We are completed our task. Then go to the preview options, check it out. Our tag is fire or not, and our website data is go to the our Google Analytics 4 dashboard or not. Then preview, continue, and again we are go to any product page and hit the add to cart button. Just click it, add to cart. So back to the Google Tag Assistant. Here you see add to cart tag is fired perfectly, and now we are check out in Google Analytics 4 our data is received or not. Under the data display sections, we are go to the debug view. Looks great. Add to cart event is looking here. So click the add to cart and check out our 3 parameters are working or not. First one, currency, is working good, value, and the third one is items. In the item sections, you can see all of the product information are here. So congratulations, we are successfully setting up the GA4 add to cart event for Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching. I will see in the next video. Thank you.